Have you ever wished there was one AI platform that could generate videos, edit videos, create images, animate photos, swap faces, add lip sync, and give you access to some of the most powerful AI models available today? Well, that's exactly what Apollo AI is trying to do. And honestly, after looking through everything it offers, I can see why it's getting so much attention. Right, so Apollo AI isn't just another AI video generator, it's more like an all-in-one content creation hub. Instead of using separate websites for video generation, editing, image creation, and special effects, Apollo AI brings everything together in one dashboard. And that's important because AI creators are dealing with too many tools these days. One platform for images, another for videos, another for editing, another for upscaling. It gets messy fast. Now, when you open Apollo AI, you'll immediately notice that the platform is packed with features. The main focus is AI video creation, but that's only the beginning. One thing that really stands out is the number of AI models available. Instead of forcing users to rely on a single model, Apollo AI gives access to several advanced options, including Veo 3, Sora 2, Kling 3.0, Seedance 2.0, Haluo 2.3, Wan 2.6, and more. So basically, if one model creates better cinematic videos and another produces better motion or realism, you can choose the one that fits your project best, and honestly, that's a huge advantage. Creating content is simple. You enter a prompt, choose a model, and generate your video. Whether you're making a marketing ad, a social media clip, a product showcase, or even a YouTube intro, the process feels straightforward. But here's the thing, generating videos is only half the story. What really impressed me is the number of editing tools built directly into the platform. There's a video upscaler for improving quality, a video enhancer, denoise video, background remover, subtitle remover, and even an AI tool that can remove unwanted objects from a video. Wait, look at that. Tasks that normally require advanced editing software can now be handled with a few clicks. And for creators producing content every day, that can save a lot of time. Now let's talk about some of the more creative features. Apollo AI includes face swap video, lip sync AI, image to animation, video to anime, motion control, AI dance generator, and even AI podcast generators featuring babies or pets. Okay, I didn't expect that. Some of these tools are clearly designed for social media content, and honestly, they have huge viral potential. If you're creating content for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, these features can help generate attention-grabbing videos very quickly. Another thing I liked is the collection of ready-made applications. Instead of starting from scratch, users can create UGC ads, marketing videos, story videos, explainer videos, news videos, music videos, and more using pre-built workflows, which means beginners can start creating content without spending hours learning complicated software. Now, let's be fair, no platform is perfect. The first downside is that there are so many features that new users might feel overwhelmed. When you first enter the dashboard, you'll see dozens of tools and options. It can take some time to understand where everything is. The second limitation is something that affects every AI generator on the market. Results depend heavily on the quality of your prompts. A simple prompt can produce average results, while a detailed prompt often creates much better outputs. So don't expect perfect videos from a single sentence every time. Still, the overall experience is impressive. Apollo AI feels less like a single AI tool and more like an ecosystem built for creators. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, agency owner, social media manager, or business owner, there are enough features here to cover a large part of your workflow. And that's really the biggest strength of the platform. Instead of paying for multiple subscriptions and constantly switching between websites, you can handle most of your content creation process in one place. So is Apollo AI worth trying? I'd say yes. Not because it's perfect, but because it combines video generation, image creation, editing tools, special effects, and multiple premium AI models into a single platform. And honestly, that's becoming increasingly valuable as the AI space gets more crowded. If you're serious about AI-powered content creation, Apollo AI is definitely worth checking out, and who knows, it might end up replacing several tools you're already paying for. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.